It's great to be here with you. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the production of GMT pallets. We introduced the production process as following 4 aspects: raw material processing, heating and melting raw materials, compression molding, cooling and shaping. Workers place raw materials onto a conveyor belt, then they will crushed by a single shaft crusher. The crushed raw materials are transported to the storage workshop via conveyor belt. The required quantity of raw materials is accurately weighed according to the pallet size. This can ensure the adequate material filling and a dense structure. It can help maintain a consistent fiberglass to resin ratio in each pallet. The GMT billet is placed in a hot air convection furnace for heating. Set the raw material preheating time according to the pallet size. The heated blank needs to be weighed again to confirm its weight and ensure consistent quality on the pallets. Then place the billet in the middle of the hydraulic press mold cavity and pressed into shape. The press machine has 3,000 tons pressure. This ensures the pressed pallet with a dense structure and strong load-bearing capacity. After demolding, the tray is trimmed and then placed in a cooling and setting machine for cooling. After cooling, the hydraulic press opens the mold and removes the formed GMT pallet.